everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to move lines in Google Sheets. So I will be showing you two methods here and it's very easy. The first thing is all you have to do is to tap the row number and then hold down Control, left click, and pull it down. So you can just simply move it wherever you wish. Okay. And if you want to put it back, then you just have to do the same thing. Okay, tap the row and then hold down control, left click, and then move it up again. So that's how easy it is. So this is the first method and how to move lines here in Google Spreadsheet. The second is a very easy. What you're going to do is to simply tap also the row number, and then this time you have to look for the edit. Okay. So if you tap this one, you just have to go to the upper side. As you can see under or below untitled spreadsheet, you can see here edit and click the move feature or option. And then you can row up or row down. So that's it. So there are two ways and two methods in how to do this. And that's how easy it is to move lines in Google Sheets. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.